How to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, new strategy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, we're going to be discussing something different. It's a great way of making money, and it's promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So we're going to be discussing it in great depth. I'm going to be talking about how you can set yourself up with an Amazon affiliate, what are the requirements to start affiliating for Amazon, how you can make money off of it, and how you can promote it on your Pinterest using many softwares to design your great posts to make it look attractive. What we're going to be using today is obviously Canva, and I'm just going to give you all the basics and walk you through everything that I possibly can. So all I want you to do is watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions I have to provide you. And if you do all that, then I can guarantee you that you're going to correctly know how to promote Amazon affiliate links on your Pinterest. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Amazon affiliation. So their link is affiliate-program.amazon.com. It's the basic Amazon affiliate control. Basically, Amazon call their affiliates Amazon Associates, and you can sign up over here right away, but you can see that this is their affiliate marketing program. Welcome to one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. The Amazon Associates program help content creators, publishers, and bloggers to monetize their traffic. With millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associates use easy link building tools to direct their audiences to recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. Now, the 3 ways to become an affiliate is to sign up, and you're going to recommend some product or a link, and then you're going to earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So yeah, and then you can come down here and you can see the different FAQs, like how does the associate program work, how do I earn, how do I qualify, and how do I sign up. So to sign up, all you need to do is you're going to come up here and you're going to click on sign up where it says recommend products, earn commissions, and over here obviously you're gonna access with your basic Amazon account. So I'm gonna do that real quick, log in and be right back. Now once you're properly logged in, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to become an affiliate for Amazon, or you're going to become their associate. And then what's going to happen is they're going to give you links that you can promote. And what's going to happen is you're going to start promoting those links. And if someone clicks on those links and buys that product, you're going to earn 10% commission. So let's say a $500 gift, then you're going to get roughly around you can say well above $50 off of that. And that is just easy money. Like, you're just sitting home and promoting links and you're getting $50, $60 off of it. And that's just easy and great money. And obviously it could be much higher than that. Like, say someone orders a product worth $2,000, you're going to make well above $200 in that. So yeah, that is how great the affiliation program is. Now, to obviously promote your programs, we're going to go on Pinterest. Now, once you're on Pinterest, obviously you're going to want to create your account to start uploading over here. So we're going to do that real quick, and I'm going to show you a nice post that you can create to obviously make your promotion post look good. So there we go. I'm going to add in an email. I'm going to add a password. You're going to add your age, and you're going to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, you're going to properly be signed up with Pinterest. And over here, you can start uploading or creating whatever you like. Now, do make sure to choose whatever they ask you. And if you don't really want to, you want to skip it later, you just can't skim over it. So I'm just going to do it real quick. So now that you're fully set it up on your Pinterest, all you need to do is you're going to obviously create a post for your Pinterest. So for that, you're going to come up here, you're going to click on create, and you're going to click on either create pin or create idea pin. So then obviously it's going to look somewhat like this. And from here on out, you're going to start creating. So to create, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to add a title. So let's say it's about some clothing. So let's say t-shirt. We're going to put in t-shirt and tell everyone what your link pin is about. So you can write something great like, please check this brand new shirt out. It totally looks amazing. Check out by clicking on this link. And then obviously down here, you're going to put in your Amazon affiliate link in the destination. And what's going to happen is when they click the link, they're going to be redirected to this destination. Now, the main thing, which is going to guide them, is going to be a photo, because that's what people on Pinterest actually look with. So for the photo, you can use many platforms, but I just recommend using Canva or maybe Photoshop. But the best is Canva because it's an online software and you can start creating anything using Canva. So you're going to come in to the template section. You're going to put in Pinterest. You're going to put in the Pinterest pin. You're going to see different templates, and you're going to make a shirt design on any of these Pinterest pin templates. So let's say you want a Pinterest pin for, you can just find one for yourself. So let's say I'm going to choose one which is free. I'm going to go with this one. So if it's totally free and it's customizable, you're going to go over it. So here I am, and now I'm going to start working on this. Now obviously you need to make this look good enough that people are going to be obviously addicted to it and come towards it. So obviously in these photos, you're going to start adding some photos of some good shirts. Now to get photos of good shirts, you're going to go on pexels.com or maybe add photos of the product you find from Amazon. Right now, I'm just going to search shirts over here, and just like that, where we can start adding this. Like, this is a good photo, and we can also add this right here. This is a good photo. We can also add this, and let's add one more. Let's add this one. Now once you find these photos, you're just going to download it, and after downloading it, you're going to go to your Canva and you're going to start pasting them in the upload section. So here's one, then you're going to add a second one, then you're going to add the third one, then you're going to add the fourth one, and you're just going to wait for it to properly be uploaded. So once it is, you're going to delete these photos that you find over here, and I'm just going to delete them real quick, and you're going to start dragging these photos one by one in these sections over here. So as you can see, there we go, and that's how it's going to look. You can change this to classy shirts. You put that in. You can change the font. I don't exactly enjoy the font, so I'm just going to change it to something good. And once you change it to something good, make sure to fit it obviously along the whole axis. So I'm just going to try to fit it as well as I can. There we go. And I'm just going to decrease the font. There we go. And once I do that, I'm going to obviously change the colors of the shirt. So it's black, white, and blue. So I'm going to go with black, white, and I'm going to delete all of these. I'm going to add blue over here. And if you want a blue according to this color over here, all you need to do is you're going to click on this ink bar over here. You're going to come up here and you're going to click on the ink. What that does is it chooses the color, or you can just choose it yourself. So let's say we don't want to do that. I'm just going to undo that real quick. I'm going to click on this over here. I'm going to go on its color, go on blue, and obviously I'm going to go with the dark blue that it looks like, which is somewhat this. And there we go. And you're just going to pinch these up together. You're going to go on share. You're going to download it in a PNG. I just recommend a PNG. And we're just going to wait for it to download real quick. And once it's downloaded, once it's properly downloaded, you're just going to drag it right here. Look at that. Now from there on out, you're going to put in your destination link to your Amazon affiliate program, save it, and that is it. That is how easy it is that you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest and make money off of it. So yeah, that was all. I hope you enjoyed the video. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.